no other government has invested as much in our road infrastructure.
2025 was the year when the spark was truly lit for road projects. With the contract signed less than a month before the new year began, the 45 billion Shared Prosperity Through Accelerated Improvement to Our Road Network SPARK project was first on the ministry's list when the 2025 new year commenced. And within the new year, residents in several communities had new pavements to navigate.
We have been consistently exploring opportunities to create high-impact projects for the benefit of communities and the wider population. One of those high-impact projects is the Accelerated Rural Bridge Development Program, which is to install a range of permanent vehicular and pedestrian bridges in strategic areas.
The government signed a memorandum of understanding with UK Export Finance in January for the $100 million bridge program. The Rock, Ramble, Bushy Park, and Rio Cobra irrigation canal bridges are just a few of the 55 to benefit. Marking the dawn of a new era of mobility, opportunity, and resilience for Portland, the Port Antonio Bypass began to take shape last year. Ground was broken in June for the $81 million project that spans Norwich to Turtle Harbour in the parish.
The bypass will span 7 kilometers with a 4-lane design and will provide an alternative route to ease congestion in Port Antonio.
It's expected to improve travel time and support regional economic growth in the parish.
In so doing, it will unlock new commercial zones, stimulate land development, and create room for expansion.
After more than a year out of full operation, resulting from damage caused by a severe weather event, the November 12 reopening of the Ocho Rios Cruise Port's main terminal was a big boon to tourism in 2025.
When Ocho Rios was down, a lot of the business from here went to Falmouth, right? And the Falmouth business picked up. Now it's flipped back the other way, right? So it shows the value in having diversity and having multiple ports, multiple berths. Every time we have damage as a result of weather events, we have to look to build back better and stronger.
Before Melissa did her worst and left an estimated $35 billion in damage to Jamaica's road infrastructure, the Ministry of Economic Growth and Infrastructure Development was implementing mitigating measures. But this hurricane, one of the strongest ever recorded, proved devastating.
Melissa dealt a severe blow to our national road network and public infrastructure. The National Works Agency reports that 151 roads were impacted island-wide, with landslides, fallen trees, flooded corridors, covered pavements, and breakaways, rendering many communities temporarily inaccessible.
After the hurricane passed, the ministry took immediate action, clearing blocked roads to create access to marooned communities. Cabinet approved $5 billion for the National Works Agency to undertake emergency repairs to roads and gullies, reopen roads, and carry out drain cleaning activities. The ministry was subsequently allocated $7.2 billion for road infrastructure and procurement of 3,300 containerized housing units in a supplementary national budget brought to Parliament in December. Shortly after, a $1.6 billion graded overlay emergency road rehabilitation GO program was officially launched to deal with several critical corridors that were damaged by potholing and scoring during the hurricane.
as we move forward, we remain steadfast in our commitment to delivering on infrastructure works that serve the needs of every Jamaican.